What's up guys, this is Ken from Tech Open back again with another video. This time to show you a product, very interesting one actually, from a company called CZUR. This is CZUR. When you think there's nothing else to be invented, you're wrong. There's always a different way to implement things. What I think is interesting about CZUR is the way they interpreted this product, how they put it out on the market, and the advantages that you get with this product. So I'm pretty sure you're going to be interested in watching this video, so let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's open the box. Now I have done the unboxing of this already. The problem is I lost that footage, so I'm just simulating what an unboxing experience is with this product. So you can see you have some CDs here, some installation software, which you can also download from their site. You don't have to use the CD. Don't worry about that because you have all the software on their website, which I will show you later on. You have the little cable here, USB-A to USB-C. So the cable is about 150 centimeters long, USB-A to USB-C. It's a conventional cable, nothing special about it, but it is high quality. It's not cheap. And then you have the device. So yeah, guys, this is basically a scanner, okay? It's not like a flatbed scanner that you have in your printer. This actually uses a camera, more or less like you would on your smartphone or anything like that. And this, as you can see, it unfolds. And it stands like this. Let me just move this box out of the way. So you would set this up like so. You have this little alignment mat that you would place your documents on, and you scan it with this camera here on the top. You can see here, there's the camera, and you have this LED light to illuminate your documents and your photos or whatever. And then this folds neatly like this. So that's why I was saying that this is so portable. It's very light. You can fit this in your bag very easily, but this is just different, okay? You have a little status light there. You have the power button right there. You have this base. The base is not removable. A little channel here to channel your cable so everything's nice and tidy. You can go this way or that way. You have 4 little rubber feet here to make sure that this is stable. You have the charging port right there. That's where you would connect your cable right there. And like I said, it's very light. Now, what's cool about this is that it's not only a scanner. It also can serve as a webcam. You can use this almost as a light because it has the LED light. You can't set the color temperature, you can't set the brightness or anything like that, but you could actually use this as a lamp. You can use it as a webcam, you can use it as a presentation device, you can use this to present your documents to a classroom or to a conference or whatever. The only disadvantage in terms of using this as a webcam is that you can't actually shift the webcam. You can't set the angle, it's fixed. So it's kind of set at a low angle. You would have to do something like this or put it at a higher level or something like that. But it does work as a webcam if you want to. You could use this, for example, for unboxings, like as a top camera. This is the little alignment mat. So you basically have this little slit here on the top, as you can see. And you want to align that with the scanner's base. So this fits like that. And this is where you would place your document. And you can see you actually have little alignment corners so you know how to make sure that your document is in correct view of the camera. Set whatever document here, a sheet, a photograph, anything, any document you want to scan, you place it here. Now, the difference between this one and the other ones from their line, the higher end ones, is they have a little pedal with some of them. There's actually a little foot pedal that you place on the floor, on the ground, and whenever you want to scan a document, you just press that little pedal and it'll scan the document. You don't have to press any buttons, you don't have to press it on your laptop or in the software, anything like that. On this one, you actually have to press it within the software. We're gonna look at the software a little bit. I'm just gonna give you an overall look at the software and what you can do with it. In order to connect this, like I said, you have the USB cable. You would connect it back to this part right here on the underside of the scanner. You thread the little cable this way, and then you just plug this into your computer and you get this light. It pops on right away. If you want to turn it on and off, it's just with this little power button. And also if you fold it in, it also shuts off, as you can see. Flip it up and it turns back on. Pretty cool. Even if you're not using it for portability, let's say you're just using it for scanning documents in your office, it doesn't occupy any space at all. You can see how compact this is. It'll fit basically anywhere on your desk. It won't take up a lot of space like your printer would. You don't have a power brick to connect this to, you just connect this via USB-C. So low power, easy to just connect to your laptop and get going. Okay guys, just keep in mind that if you're scanning documents that have a glossy finish or a couche finish, which is this kind of matte glossy kind of finish. You're gonna have some issues with these flares from the actual LED light hitting onto the document. So it works mainly best with matte finished documents. You want to keep that in mind, guys. When you're using this as a webcam with this closed like so, you can actually turn this entire base around. So this goes like this, and now you can use it as a webcam. So in terms of specs, you get a 12 megapixel camera with a resolution up to 4032 by 3024 pixels. You can scan documents up to A4 size. So you get no preheating sequence like you get on normal scanners that have that preheating sequence. In terms of image format, you get JPEG or TIFF. Image color depth, 24 bits. Output formats for your images are JPEG, PDF, searchable PDF, Word, and Excel. Video export is MP4. The focus mode is fixed. And you also get a digital microphone embedded into the scanner. Okay guys, so you're going to follow the link that I've just posted on the video. Then you're going to pick the model that's your model. I'm going for the Lens Pro, which is my model. So you have two different options here. You have CZUR Lens and CZUR Camera. Now CZUR Lens is more for the scanning side of things, and CZUR Camera is if you want to do video presentations, video recordings, photography with your camera. And then you'll have the various operating systems. Just make sure you download the correct one for you, either be Mac or Windows. I've already downloaded the software, so I'm going to look at that now, guys. You can see, and if we open CZUR Camera, you'll see more or less what it looks like. We're going to look at the CZUR Camera. You can see it's here, finding my hand. We're going to keep the CZUR Camera as the one that we want, in this case the scanner. You can also pick which microphone you want to use, either it be the integrated one on your computer or the one you have attached to your computer or the one from the CZUR scanner. Okay, so anytime you want to record any video, you would use this, right? Yeah, I'm not going to look too much into this software. We're going to look into the actual Lens software. So we're going to open the CZUR Lens software, and you can see you have color modes. You can rotate your documents, you can crop, you can change the quality, you can print your scan directly to your printer. You can also export it in Word, Excel, or PDF formats, and notice that you have OCR technology as well, and you have over 185 recognized language that you can choose from. Pretty straightforward. It's kind of more or less like you see in other scanning software. Then you can change also the color modes here if you want color, black and white, file, and you can zoom in and you can see it's pretty detailed. Yeah, to a point it gets a little bit pixelated. The one feature I did want to show you, which is the main feature of this particular scanner, is auto scan. You have the auto scan option, which will automatically scan depending on how you flip the pages. So if I flip this page now, you'll see that it'll start scan that page. If I turn it again, it'll scan the second page. Now if I turn it again, now the one issue with this is you want it to be completely still, or else you'll get double scans of the same page. It'll scan twice. So that's the only thing you have to be aware of. And then to finish, you just turn off auto scan, and you can see, yeah, it gets pixelated at a certain point if you zoom in too much. But yeah, that's to be expected. And if I zoom into this and I do OCR, I can pick, like I said, between 185 languages, I believe. You have all these options, how you want the file to be exported. I'm going to pick English, medium quality, and then just put test. And let it scan, and we're just going to see how it looks. So we're going to open the file, and yeah, you can see it did recognize the text here. And if I were to do this, I can just copy this text, edit, do whatever I want with it. Now they guarantee about 99% recognition of characters, of available characters, so it should work fine. Now I'm not going to be testing this with all the characters, of course, all the fonts, but it should be okay, I guess. But yeah, just for you guys to get an idea of what this looks like. You also have the visual presenter, so just wait for it to go. Just press display. It'll basically show whatever is in front of the camera. You can draw on this, you know, do like schemes and whatnot. You can circle things, then you can erase this if you want to. You can zoom in and out. I think you can full screen this, add text, notes, anything you want to, you can do that with this. This would be really cool for like video presentations, you know, for classes and whatnot. I think it would come in pretty handy. You can freeze this, you can take a photograph, share this with your students or whoever's attending your meeting. Just wanted to give you like a bit of a look of what it's like. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section. I'll try and answer your questions the best way that I can. So guys, I hope you thought this product was interesting. I do. I think it's a pretty cool device. Portable, compact, feature-packed. It has a lot of features that actually give it its value. If you're interested in getting this, I will have the links in the description. Just take a look. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up. It's a huge help to the channel, guys. And also, if you want to leave your comments, I'd also appreciate it. What do you think about this? Would you recommend this to a friend of yours or a family member? Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.